Welcome, in front of me I have Sony Alpha A5000 and today I will show you how we can display shuttering tip list. So at the first you have to tap on the menu button, then go for the camera settings and go on the right. And as you can see at the bottom, we can find the shuttering tip list, so click here to enter. And as you can see here we got a lot of content. So for example, if you want to improve your portrait skills, you have to enter, and here we can, for example, making children smile or defocusing the background. So here we got the description with the images. If you want to go back, just click the menu button, and here you can check other content, other guides. And yeah, that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.